With the debt to limit balance there, or that ratio, I've heard it said it's supposed to be around 30%. Is that right?
So if you're at 50%, it's not really negatively affecting you. But the sweet spot, as far as I've learned it, is having your balances under 20% of the limits.
Okay.
Yeah. FICO, I guess, grades in like a 20% increment.
Okay.
So that's the sweet spot, is under 20%. And another myth, and this is something that I hear the opposite of what I was taught for over 3 years now. So I actually a couple of weeks ago did some research on it. I'm like, I got to know if how I was taught was right. So another myth, carry a balance, carry a $2 or a $10 balance on your credit cards.
Okay.
I was taught that is not necessary. Just don't spend more than 20% of your limit.
Okay.
So I researched it. I found an answer on Experian.com. The way I was taught was correct.
Which way?
You don't have to play the game and keep a $2 balance or a $10 balance.
Oh, okay.
Use the card. Just don't spend more than 20% of the limit. Pay it, when your bill is due, and you're fine.